Good morning from London. This is so cool. I'm finally here. I've actually been here for a couple of weeks and I've been moving stuff in and filming it, but none of that footage really has any correlation, so I thought I'd pop in and intro what I was doing and come back in and out and let you know what was going on. So at least it kind of has some sort of timeline. Before I jump in, today's video is very kindly sponsored by Surfshark, a VPN service that you can use to protect your data online. I'll let you know a little bit more about that later, but first let me share with you the unpacking process because that was a fun morning, let me tell you. As you've seen in one of my previous moving vlogs, I packed up all my stuff on the island into boxes and I shipped it up to London. I had to come up here for a few days to make sure everything was put in place before going back home to quick tidy the house for the new tenants. I arrived in London the night before and then very early the next morning the removal guys arrived and they unpacked everything and we put things in the places where I thought it was gonna go. I got to London last night and this is the sitting room at the moment. The couch is gone, so my couch is gonna go there. This table is going to leave and my dining table is going to be put there. I've got a lot to sort out. This isn't even the worst one. I tidied the bedroom, but there's been an electrician in and it was worse yesterday. But this is what we're working with now. The beds are going today and my bed's going to go there temporarily until I figure out where things are going. I have to do a charity shop run, but yeah, this is what we're working with. I've just moved this from the bedroom into the hallway. It looks so weird there, but we really need the storage. And then the thing that was there, I've actually put in the kitchen, so it actually could look a bit more kitchen-like now. I need to get rid of all of this stuff and sort some like little baskets out for here, but I think that doesn't look too bad. It's covering up a box behind it, so I think that could be pretty good for kitchen storage. The movers arrived and I didn't get much footage because my priority was trying to put all of the boxes in the rooms that they were supposed to go in. And honestly, I got a bit shocked at this point because it looked like a lot of stuff, but it looked worse than it was. When I started unpacking, it happened quite quickly, but this is a little bit of what was going on. Okay, that was a morning and a half. The movers have gone. This is what we've got. The glass table couldn't get in because we couldn't get this one out, so we're just gonna leave this one here. The rest of the room looks like this. Couch is all set up. Got the mirror from my old house. Hello. I'm gonna move this closer to the window. I just have to unpack all the boxes first, but really it's just cushions and books. I also want to put some of my plants in the window so they get some sunlight. But yeah, I promise it looks worse than it is. I promise. The bedroom is where it changes. Yeah, oh my god. One thing I did when the movers were here was I rolled out the rugs to make sure that the furniture could go on the rugs, so I wouldn't have to move anything else. But we got the bed, bedside table, wardrobe. It's all in place. I just have to go through all this stuff now. I think that's for the kitchen. Speaking of, yeah, it's not good in here either. I think I'll do this a little bit later, but loads of boxes. Update, it is looking a lot better. You can actually see the window now. This broke in transit, so I need to go and get some wood glue to fix it. That's all sheets and stuff that I'm not keeping. That's my bedding, and we have way too many of these chairs. I hate them. I do need to unpack all of this stuff, but it's all got a place to go. So, yeah. It's me again, just jumping in with a very quick ad break and to say thank you so much for watching this video so far. I hope you're enjoying it. So today's video is very kindly sponsored by Surfshark. Let me tell you a little bit more about them. Surfshark is a VPN service that has many incredible features to keep you safe and give you peace of mind while surfing the web. It works across all devices, and my favourite feature is the cookie pop-up blocker. I can't cope with those pesky cookie notifications. You can also use Surfshark to browse different streaming platforms through a huge range of different countries, so you can access shows that you wouldn't normally get to see at home. I really like this one. If you want to try Surfshark for yourself and get 4 months free and 83% off of your subscription, you can use my code that I'm going to put on screen here and check out the link in the description. It's also got a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk if you decide it's not for you. Thank you so much to Surfshark for sponsoring today's video. If you want to learn more about them, I'm going to link them in the top line of the description below. The next section of this video, I actually had to film on my phone because I misplaced my camera battery charger while I was in the move. I've since ordered a new one, as you can tell, but I just wanted to pop in and explain why the quality drops a little bit, but I really enjoyed the footage. I was cleaning this kitchen and I made a lot of changes in here, so I just want to slide that footage in anyway. Good morning from my kitchen. I don't know if you remember, but a few weeks ago I did a bit of a deep clean of some of the spaces in here and I left it really nice, but then the electrician came in and now it's covered in a thick layer of dust again. But now all of my stuff is in here too, including my pink smeck. She came with me. Let me show you what it looks like. This needs dusting and reorganizing. Got some food left to unpack, some dishes to do. My plants made it all the way from the island. I think I'm gonna put my equipment down here, like my coffee bean grinder and kettles and things that I'm not using. As you can see, I've started to unpack things and I've made a mess that I'm going to clean up as well. But yeah, this is what the kitchen's looking like. My plan is to work anti-clockwise and start with the shelves that you're currently sat on and get those done so they have a little bit of a morale boost because they're going to look really cute, and then I'll just carry on. Oh, also, can't find the charger for my camera battery, so subsequently can't use my tripod, so I'm just going to be putting you on stuff all day long. It's going to be really annoying. Here, now you're on the coffee machine. Ta-da! It's got to get worse before it gets better. Ding. Update, I need to do the dishes still, but this is what we've got on the shelf. I think that's looking a lot better. I've put away all the dishes on that rack. Do I need 2 drying racks? Probably not, but I will cross that bridge when the time comes. Now I'm gonna work on this. Been about a week or so since I filmed those last clips, and I've done a couple more things in the kitchen, so I'm going to share with you what it looks like now and give you an overview. It still needs a full makeover, but it's so much better than it was a few weeks ago. Okay, quick overview of what the kitchen looks like now since putting in all that hard work. As you can see, the worktops are all nice and clear now. This is where I cook. My favourite part of the kitchen is the shelving unit. I found this draining board for £1 pound in Flying Tiger a while ago, and it fits perfectly here and covers up a little bit of the sink. I don't love the stainless steel sink. No matter how hard I clean it, it's still stained, and I am on the hunt for some Barkeeper's Friend because a few of you have recommended that, so I'm gonna see if I can find it. Eesh. It does look a bit grim, but I'm gonna try and do some rental hacks and put some tiles up all the way across and make it look a little bit brighter. My plants, who didn't enjoy the move very much, are now thriving. This guy hasn't put out any new leaves in about a year, and suddenly he's got 3 new sprouts with loads of growth. This is all from the last couple of weeks. I've just been using my Miracle Grow on it, and I just give it a pump, and then I leave my water overnight so that it settles and I put a bit of water in. So yeah, they are doing very well. And these guys too. Moving on to the table area, this is looking a lot less cluttered than it was, but I still need to do some work. I had these cushions lying around, they were in the way, so I've just plonked them on the chairs. At the back here, I've just covered up the cushions with a really thick chunky blanket, so it gives the illusion that it's a comfortable bench to sit on. I still have some stuff here that I want to sort out. This is something very exciting, but I'm not going to do too many spoilers. You're up next. And then as you move around, this is what the other side of the kitchen looks like. I need to hang this on the wall, but for the moment it's covering the ugly boiler. And then of course we've got Pinky over here looking as happy as ever. A little bit too chunky for the space, but it's okay. Oh, and the other night I cleaned all of those hooks. They were so greasy, and I put all that stuff back up there. So yeah, just a quick overview. It's obviously not perfect. We've got a long way to go, but it's so much better. And it's really nice seeing some of my little bits and bobs and knickknacks fit in their new home. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I've really loved doing moving vlogs. It's been such a nice change of pace, and I've actually gotten started on 2 of the room makeovers, and very soon I'm going to start on this. With all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'm really enjoying making these, so please stay tuned for some more, and I'll see you soon. Bye.